Hello everyone there. This mandala to me is the maternity garden. It was created, inspired actually in a dear friend. I'm not gonna tell her name, but she said, Josie, I am really stressed out and I really want to get pregnant and the baby doesn't come. What should I do? And I told her, listen, why don't you just color some mandalas or create a mandala? And then I said, okay. And she said, I don't know how to draw. And I said, it's okay, I'm going to help you out with one design inspired in maternity. And then build it up yourself, do it by yourself at home, little by little. I'm just going to prepare a tutorial for you. But then I was thinking, hey, there are so many beautiful women out there wanting to have a baby and they cannot do that for some reason, physiological or psychological reason. And why don't we just publish this out, because it might help other people. And listen, very important, as a disclaimer, this does not substitute any treatment, medical treatment. Keep going to your doctor, keep having the treatment you currently have. This is just going to help you connect with yourself when we're talking about maternity, okay? I believe the maternity subject is too complex from the minute we think about that. And I can tell by example, because I only could get pregnant of my first baby when I was 37, and I delivered him when I was 38, and my second child was born on my 43rd birthday. So I know what I am talking about. It's a complex subject. I mean, checking if your period came or not, you know, social pressure, family pressure. And I just want to create this space in which none of these problems exist. Not even if you have any physiological condition that prevents you from being pregnant, or psychological condition. Let's create a space where none of these issues exist, where only you exist, and where you find peace with yourself and you get connected with the mother inside you, with the person who has the ability to create life, to have life, and to deliver a beautiful life to this world. So this is prepared for you, dedicated for you. I hope you like it. I'm going to be explaining from next Monday, I think it's February, I don't know the date, but it's next Monday. I'm going to be explaining, I'm going to be delivering every day a video explaining the elements, the tools that I used, the colors, all the concepts that I put together to build this up. We're gonna build it up together. And if you don't want, if you just don't want to get into complicated math or so, you just want to color, there will be a PDF for that. You can just print it out as many times as you want and put different color combinations as you want. What I want you is to relax and help you, provide you with a way to connect with yourself, with the mother inside you. So I'm just going to put this closer for you to see, and I hope you like it and you enjoy building up and coloring this. As I said, it's gonna be available in just pencil painting, and also with dot tracing. Okay. In this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the elements that I used to compose the mandala. The first element that I constructed was this, let's say, sort of triangle. And then I thought of another triangle like this. But this is just a symbolization of the uterus. Why? Two uterus. If we only have one, because one is the physical uterus. The other one, I would say, I felt that we needed to talk a little bit about the energetic uterus. Sometimes we put ourselves into so much stress and into distress, into bad energy, bad thoughts, our fears, and we need to connect the physical uterus to our energetical uterus, I would say, to be able to generate life. So these two triangles are these two uterus I am talking about, and this flower means fertility. Then if you look at the extremes of the uterus, with this leaf, I wanted to make a simplification, symbolize a simplification of the Celtic symbol of maternity. Then we have also another meaning for this oval as an extreme of the ovaries, meaning a seed. We need the male energy also together with the female energy to generate life, and this was needed to be symbolized in a mandala. Then let's look at the hearts. I designed a little heart inside a big heart. What does it mean? This little heart means the heart of the baby or babies beating inside the heart of the mother. It's like two hearts beating in one body. I thought of it as a beautiful thing to put in a mandala. If you look at it, I have also lots of leaves, not only symbolizing a seed but also life through plants, and also lots of flowers that I saw in a garden, symbolizing fertility. And then I have some Arabic symbols like this because I love them. I just love them, and I thought they were beautiful. And all the colors I am working in this mandala related to fertility, to the uterus, to love, lots of love. So these are the elements that I use and that I pretend that you draw in the mandala.